In this exercise, we will see how to export different scheduling and quantity tables that we created earlier. This will help us have updated documentation, as we will export TXT formats that can be linked to Excel, and that Excel file can be linked to Word. This way, the documentation can be constantly updated based on project changes. Let's see how to export a table, which is very simple. Just open any quantification table that you have created. It doesn't matter which one, as they all export in the same way. Go to the Revit icon or file icon if you are using versions higher than 2017. Look for Export and scroll down with the arrow. Under Reports, you will see Schedules. Select that option. Simply save the table of room schedules. Click Accept for the export format, as it is the correct format. Now, if we open an Excel file, we can insert the data. Go to Data and select from Text File. You can choose the file you just exported, for example. Import it, and you will automatically have all your scheduling tables in Excel. This is a very simple way to export all the data for counting and accounting elements, and so on. So, it's a straightforward process, and the most important thing is that if we overwrite this element, we will always have it updated. For example, if we link this Excel table with Word, we will have it constantly updated in our documentation.